Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Susan. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. Today's video is a detailed one layer clean girl makeup tutorial. Very easy, simple, and looks very natural. So let's get right into it. First up, I'll be starting by cleaning my face with a micellar cleaning water. I'll just apply it on my wipes and take off the excess dirt and oil from my skin. Next up, I'm going to apply a hydrating serum on my face just to make it look plump and hydrated. Next, I'll be using a moisturizer. Next off, I'm going to be using a primer. This is an oil control primer. I'll just apply it on the places where I usually get oily. So for this one layer makeup tutorial, you're just going to apply all your cream products at once. So first off is my concealer. I'll apply it on the places where I'll usually highlight. So under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and my upper lip. The next product is blush, and I'll be using this lip stain for my blush. I'm just going to apply it at the highest point of my cheek, very close to that highlighted area. Next off, I'm going to be using a darker shade of concealer for my contour, and I'll be applying it very close to the blush by the sides of my cheek, my forehead, and the sides of my chin. I know I look crazy now, but the blend is going to be beautiful. Lastly, we are going to apply foundation. I'm just going to be using 3 pumps because I'm not applying it all over my face. Now I'll take a setting spray and spray my face generously and start blending. I'll blend from the lightest shade to the darkest shade. That means from the highlighted areas to the blush to the contour and the foundation. Now this concealer blends in really quickly and dries in quickly, but the blend is very seamless. One thing I love about this step is with this step you don't have to go through so many layers. That's foundation, concealer, contour, blush. You just apply all of them in the right places and blend them at once. Simple, one layer, less product. and you have this natural healthy glow and healthy look. You don't look like you have a lot on your face. For some weird reasons, I don't know why I forgot to blend the concealer on my chin. Now I'm blending the contour and I've not even gone close to it. I'm not sure I noticed at this point. Next is the foundation. Blend the foundation. Now we have a clean blend. I'm going to set it lightly with a setting powder. I'm using this brush to apply the setting powder to the highlighted areas of my face lightly. You can see that I'm not baking, I'm not packing powder on my face, just very lightly. Now that we are done, I'll take a compact powder to set the rest of my face with a big powder brush. You can see that my makeup is already coming together nicely. Very simple and easy, less stress and less steps. Now that we are done with the skin, we are going to head off to the brows. I'm using this brow pencil. It comes with a spoolie end and a pencil at the other side. So first off, you're just going to brush your brow hairs up. I'm going to be using this hair wax to tame my brows. I'll be applying a powder on it just to reduce shine. Then I'll use the brow pencil to draw light strokes on my brows, following my brow hairs. I don't want something that looks too shiny or too dark. I want a natural look, so I'm just going to be applying light strokes, following the direction of my brow hairs. I'll do the same thing for the other side. Now I'll use the spoolie end of the brow pencil to just brush my brows upward and lighten up the strokes, give it this feathery look. Now I'm taking a flat angle brush to clean up my brows. I'm using little concealer and little foundation. For the concealer, I'm going to use it to clean off the arc of my brows, just at center. Guys, my phone stopped recording at some point, but I'm done with my brows. I applied the liner and now I'm applying my lashes. I just got the lash and cut it into two, then applied it at the ends of my eyes to give it this extended and foxy look. Now I'm just going to blend my lash with the false lashes with the mascara. Next up, I'm applying this shimmery shade on my eyelid. Then I'll just blend it with a darker shade. Next off, I'll be lining my lips. I'm using the same lip pencil or eyebrow pencil I use for my brows to line my lips. And I'm going to be overlining my lips to give it a fuller look. Then I went over it with a clear gloss. You can decide to stop here, but I decided to add lip stain, just a nude light lip stain. I just applied 3 drops just because I didn't want something too crazy and serious. Now I've gone ahead to style my hair, put on some jewelry, and I'm just going to apply my highlighter at the highlighted place. That's the highest top of my cheek, close to my blush, my forehead, the point of my nose and the bridge of my nose, and my chin. Also my brow bone area. Now I'm just going to blend it all with my powder blush just to have a seamless look. I don't want to be looking like a shiny ball. I forgot to spray my face, but guys, this is the finished look. Very simple, flawless, natural looking. You don't look like you have so many layers of foundation and products on your face. Very easy and a quick go-to get a clean bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.